Hey guys, so check it out. When you're producing or making a beat, you don't have to be perfect. There's no right or wrong. As a matter of fact, a lot of times my best work has come from when I just let the process come to me. Even when it comes to beat making, I don't spend a lot of time looking for sounds. And I don't always have a specific goal in mind when I'm creating a beat. So today I'm going to show you how I just dig in and I let the sounds find me. And no matter what it is, I can create something out of it. So we're going to make a beat really quick, just using the first few sets of sounds that we find or that find us. Because I'll open up a VST and I'll just maybe just like go through one or two or three sounds and say, one of those will work. Same thing with drums. I'll find a kit that comes to me quickly, and using battery is what I like to load up all my kits in battery. And I just grab a random one and see what I can make. So I'm going to show you right now how I do that, because I don't want you to think that you have to spend all day to find the right, what you consider to be the right sounds or the perfect sounds or sounds that other people are going to like. There's always someone who's going to like something that you make. It just always happens for me. I'm always like, this beat is like, so, and it sells instantaneously. And then there's the other ones that I spend hours on and days on, and it's like, no sales. I'm just like, that's a telltale sign to me, is that there's a saying, one man's trash is another man's cash. Remember that. So I'm going to ease your mind here, and always remember, there's no rules to doing this stuff. Just dive in. Let's go. So when I open up Logic Pro, and listen, you can do this in any DAW. I like to use Logic. I'm fast at Logic because I've been using it the longest. But you know, I also use FL and Ableton and Pro Tools for a lot of my mixing. But when it comes to composing, which is what I am at heart, I'm a composer who makes beats and produces and engineers. I like to use Logic Pro. It's the fastest for me. It doesn't matter what you use though. So Logic has a default piano. When you open it up, it just defaults to piano. And a lot of times I'll start a track with just the piano. So I'm going to go check, make sure my sustain pedal is good. And I'm just going to set this to 70 beats per minute, which is like it's a very common tempo that we use these days for like hip hop or pop. Non-dance, just like rhythmic down tempo. If it's trap or it's drill or it's just a very chill pop record. So I don't know, maybe we're going to do a little bit of like a little quick hip hop beat. Let's try that. So I want to do something dark. Let's do that. Get our little clicker going. I'm going to quantize that. 16th notes. In Logic, I'm going to hit the L button to loop it. And then I'm going to hit Control L, and that's going to turn those loops into real regions. I'm going to go to my next track, and I'm going to open up battery. You can open up your sampler, open up whatever you use to make your drums. But I use battery because I've loaded all my kits up, and I love the Native Instruments stuff too. I buy all their kits. So let's give it a second to load up here. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to like look for one or two kits. Like the first thing that sounds okay to me, sounds good to me. You're going to see that when you put it all together, you might create something new, something that people don't normally hear. And that's also really cool. All right, so I opened up battery. I'm just going to like randomly grab something. I'm going to go down here and just, all right, that one we don't have. Let's go here, nothing there. Nobody home there. Oh, nobody home there either. Some of the stuff that I've installed is like older stuff, so it might not actually be in my kits here. All right, let's go here. That's cool. What do we have here? Nothing there. All right. Okay. Let's see what we got. All right. Let's record this. I'll do one piece at a time though. Right, I'm off my timing here. That's 2, 3, 4. That's why quantizing is awesome. Let me duplicate the track so I can do a kick and then do a snare. Next track will be the kick. 3, 4. Quantize that. Next track. We got that, quantize that. Let's loop them out. Turn everybody into real copies. That's Control L in Logic. So right there, I already have something. I'm going to bring those hi-hats down because I don't like their sound. I'm going to probably change them. Maybe I'll just EQ some of this stuff out of it. And then what I'm going to do here is I'm actually going to add, it's going to go into like Logic's library here and go down to, they have something called Ultimate 808s, which really are just hi-hats. It's crazy. I don't know why it's called Ultimate 808s, but they're just hi-hats. Here we go. Drag and drop. It's okay to use loops, guys. Part of the process. It's not bad. Like someone will actually get that beat and do something with it. Everything you do does not have to be considered your finest work, but it's still art, and somebody will still appreciate it. I want to add another hat. Yeah, I want something that moves like that. Nice, I like it. I'm going to grab a snare from this collection. Which one is this? Skyline Heat? Skyline Heat and Logic. Just put something with a little bit of like percussive movement. All right, I'm going to go into one of my favorite plugins. It's called Sublab. And Sublab is exactly what it sounds like. It is a awesome, like an 808 VST that I love using. Where are we at? Okay, it is... Am I on? I am, okay. We're good. Instruments. I got to go down to Instruments and open up... Sometimes I have so much stuff that I get lost. Future Audio Workshop. There we go. Sublab. Do a mono one. Once again, I'm not really looking for too many sounds. I'm going to grab the first one or two things I find. 2, 3, 4. might want to just edit some of those notes, but overall, that works. Let me just change a couple things here. I just wing it. I don't even I don't even read. So like, I wing what I hear. Dum, dum, dum. Hear this next. All right, so we're gonna go down with that. It. 1, 2, 3, edit that, loop it out, and then that would be it. Like, I would just arrange this. I would just chop out some sections and, you know, make my verses and my hook area, and that would be it. So that just goes to show you that you don't have to like search forever to find like the perfect sounds on every track that you make. Sometimes it's just a good test of your imagination as a producer, is just to see what you can do with whatever you're given. So that's it for this lesson, and I want you guys to try it out. Just start grabbing sounds and see what happens. Like I said, I grabbed the first thing that Logic opened up with, was just its piano, and you know, the first or second bass I found, first or second kit that I found, and that's it. I'll talk to you guys soon. Hope that helps. Peace out.